Hi everyone. Today we'll learn kitchen utensil names in English. Colander,
Colander,
ladle,
ladle,
masher,
masher,
grater,
grater,
sieve,
sieve,
peeler,
peeler,
mortar and pestle,
mortar and pestle,
garlic press,
garlic press,
strainer,
strainer,
whisk,
whisk,
fork,
fork,
tongs,
tongs,
rolling pin,
rolling pin,
chopping board,
chopping board,
apron,
apron,
skimmer,
skimmer,
oil dispenser,
oil dispenser,
sink,
sink,
air fryer,
air fryer,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
griddle,
griddle,
wok.
wok.
Thanks for watching. Follow for more.